Galaxy Watch 6 Classic has a temperature sensor at the back, this one right here, and you can use this temperature sensor to measure your skin temperature at night when you're sleeping. And you can turn this feature on by going in settings, go in health, and then turn on skin temperature during sleep. Now when you turn on this feature, it says here that measurement can cause a light to flash on the back of your watch. Now for some people this can be a distraction at night, but I haven't noticed it while sleeping at all. Now the skin temperature shows up in your sleep tracking, and you can actually see it on the watch as well. So if I go in my sleep tracking dial and scroll down, you will see that my skin temperature at night had been between 33.3 to 35.8. Now I'm not sure how accurate this is, but this is how it shows up. You can also see it on your phone in the sleep tracking section. So there you go. That was the skin temperature tracking last night for me.